If you've watched our other HSN videos about syncing your food, exercise, and productivity along with your cycle, I hope you're excited about all the benefits you'll receive by putting these pieces into play with your coach, step by step. However, if you're a bit overwhelmed by all the possible next steps and not sure where to start, I'd like to give you a couple quick tips to help you ease into the process. First of all, simply start by becoming aware of how different foods feel to you throughout your cycle. If you don't want to start off right away by buying and preparing the suggested foods for each phase of your cycle, why don't you notice which foods feel good for you throughout the month and check them against the cycle syncing list? Lighter, lower glycemic fruits like citrus fruits during the follicular phase. Nurturing, warming foods like soups and casseroles during luteal and menstrual phases. Next, notice fluctuations in your mood and energy levels throughout your cycle. Knowing that we can support a more balanced mood by the types of physical activities we choose and the rest that we prioritize, this can be a game changer. Do you crave social interaction during your ovulatory phase but feel like staying in more during your late luteal or menstrual phase? Or do you feel gassed during the same and high-intensity workout that felt so easy 2 weeks ago? Once you start noticing patterns in your eating and energy levels, taking that next step forward in planning your nutrition, exercise, or productivity around your cycle becomes a no-brainer.